Order submitted. Target filled. Order submitted.
I just realized YouTube's on mute. Oh no. Oh no. That's
Target
odd.
filled.
Oh no. YouTube was on mute. I'm sorry. I guess then I should be thankful for those 5 people that are sitting in there. All right. Nice push up here. Jen, did you get that? Did you get that? Yes. Oopsies. I'm telling you, when I'm trying to juggle too much, it's just too much. Look at Brett. Brett's already posting. Look at all of his PA accounts. Again, most of my members use 10 to 20 Apex accounts, risk none of their own capital, and make so much money every day. This is a PA account, PA account, PA account, PA account, PA account, PA account. For people asking yesterday, well, do they show if it's an eval or a PA? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of his are PAs, and the rest are evals. Hi, Karen. How are you? Please tap that screen. Yo, we only have 2,000 likes. What is going on? What is going on? I have my tea. ES got that snag. It's pulling down. Etsy is green $60 on the short. AMD is right around. See, this is like a choppy area. Thanks for the rose. You're so sweet.
Order filled.
I missed the student play yesterday, and today the student play is a little extended because we really need to get out of both of these areas. Talked about this on the student call. If you're one of my students, you are in. That is so obnoxiously loud. Nobody needs all that. I took a short really quickly there under this level, which isn't recommended. I'm green $700 on the day. So let's go. The only trades that have happened so far are oil. There were no NQ night trades. There were no LIS overnight trades. Gold was a loss. Oil was a win. ZB was a loss. I can show you that here. So we do have losses. It's very normal. ES Night had no trades. NQ Night had no trades. NQ Early was 1 for 1. Obviously, NQ Later is later in the day. So, yeah. And then the conservative, NQ Conservative already made $100 down here in the bottom right. And ES Conservative is still trying to make this happen. We'll see. The stop loss is like $600 and the win is $1,000. Hey, Joe. Thanks. Please give a thumbs up. I appreciate it. I'm sorry I didn't have volume for the first, 10 minutes. I apologize. Folks are already posting. So, let's see. I just showed you Brett. So, Brett made, 400. What? Oh, my gosh. Also, this is Michael. Michael is one of my students, so he manually traded at 3 a.m. But, Brett, all of this on his Apex accounts. Daniel, these are PAs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 evaluation accounts. He made $400 on each of his PA accounts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, what's 5 times 375? 5 times 375. He made almost $2,000 already today. Real money. These are evaluations. This is real money that he could withdraw on the next withdraw. Abdul said, hell yeah, let's go. $150 across all of his accounts. Very nice. If you have any questions or you want more information, just email us, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The student play is playing out. I wonder if we're going to get in an NQ early, short soon. We're back down to 15,200. Yes. So NQ early already hit 1 for 1 here. We'll see. We'll probably get a short here in a minute. And then we have NQ later. Oil was 1 for 1. Gold was 0 for 1. ZB was 0 for 1. And there were no night trades. There was no LIS trades. There were 4 of them. There were no trades last night. And there were no ES night and NQ night. There were no trades there either. Now, again, if ES Conservative comes down here and hits the stop loss for $600, that's not a big deal. Because remember, yesterday it made $1,500. So it is something that is, you know, bound to happen. Losses happen. It's very normal. But what we really want, here we go, NQ early. About to hit that TP. There we go. TP, let's go. NQ, let's go. That's eggs. 2 for 2 on the day. NQ early. 2 for 2 on the day. Let's get some eggs in the chat. Let's get some tapping of the screen. Let's go. Let's go. Yum, yum, yum. We need eggs in the chat. Premium, my profit. Yes, Merc, that is correct. I want to read sorry. Alright, so, John, we're going to take that out of there. Yes, Merc, that is correct. I made like $95 on my NQ. I made 95, but it's very close. That's just probably just slippage. Eggs, 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 eggs. We need an auto tapper for sure. Somebody buy one and put it on their cell phone. Jen, we can expense it to the business, and then you can put it on one of your iPads or cell phones. One of those little birds that just goes tap, 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 tap. Where are we at? All right. Etsy is green, $80 on just 100 shares in this short. Caterpillar's long, green, $12. AMD took a loss for $50. Not a big deal there. Looks like ES might get stopped here on the short. I mean on the long. That's okay. The play for the students still hasn't played out yet because this is a whole bunch of crap and I don't want to get in there. So we'll wait to see if we can get a little lower. Okay, so far on the day, oil 1 for 1, gold 0 for 1, ZB 0 for 1, then NQ early 2 for 2. That's our bread and butter. NQ is our favorite product, and it has a win rate of anywhere from 95% to 99% on the entire year of 2023. So if you want more information on the auto trading algorithm, please email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you're new here, please make sure you follow. We go live twice a day, 9:30 to 10:30, then 2 to 3 p.m. There's also a report at 10 o'clock, so let's keep an eye out for that. More people posting. Now Daniel has $750 for all of his accounts. So what's 5 times 750? That's what he made today. On his no risk, almost $4,000, no risk to his capital, just using Apex accounts. And he can withdraw that $4,000 on the next withdrawal. Look at Kevin. Kevin has a bunch of accounts, $240 on all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has 5 funded and then 15 in the evaluation stage. Very nice, Kevin. Congrats to you. Thomas, that's not where the questions go at all. Guys, we have a certain amount of trades that take per day because that is what the data tells us. Everything in trading or everything really in life is about numbers and the data. And if you don't understand that I have to crunch so much data to find what works and what doesn't work, that's how things are discovered. And so when we have a limit on the number of trades per day when it comes to, say, oil or gold or NQ early, that's all because of the data. So just don't be greedy. Like when somebody just said, why do we have a limit on how many trades it can take? Well, because number one, your question is obviously being asked with a greed mentality of, I want it to take 1 million trades a day. Well, what you don't understand is if it takes 1 million trades a day, you're going to be red on the year. You're not going to be green on the year 99% like we are. The most conservative algo is bold range. Exactly. Stop being greedy. If you want to make more money, then over time you increase your sizing. That's what you do. You don't just say, let me have it take more trades per day. No, that doesn't make any sense. You're exposing yourself to more risk in the market when the data says it's not warranted. Like it's not what you should be doing. Does that make sense? Make sure you tap that screen. If you're on YouTube, thumbs up. It's not a limit, it's parameters. Exactly, Jason. What's the percentage on bold range? Yep, so I just went over this. It's a 98% on NQ early and 99% on NQ later for the entire year of 2023. The entire year. See why we didn't take this short yet on NQ? Do you see? Exactly what I talked about in the student channel. It's not ready. This is an area where it bounces around a lot. We don't want to get caught in that. More folks are posting. Very nice. Robert made $4, $8, $12, $1,200. And he has, those are all 3 cash accounts. I know he has multiple cash accounts. Let's get some little emojis. Where's the robot one? I like that. Again, my name's Lauren. Jen goes live from 2 to 3 p.m. every day. I go live from 9:30 to 10:30 every day. Corey, 200 on each of his accounts. Larry, third day done, $720 on that account. Very nice. Larry, Heath, Michael, NQ is golden. Heath, 3, 6, 7, 8. No one gets sick of eggs. Eggs are so healthy for you. Let's get it. Who's this? Jen? Yes, Jen, I love you. Please keep doing that. Just keep doing all of that. It's so helpful. It really is. If you're free and you can help me with the emojis. Oh, if you're on your phone. I know she likes to do it on her phone. Because see, on the computer, like you said, it's just so much harder. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in chat like the last person did. And I would love to answer them. We go live to show you the algorithm and just to show you what it can do, what it looks like, what the capacity is. And get you familiar with what we're doing here, essentially. And that's why we go live every single day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. $440 times 10 for me. Nice job, Charlie. Charlie made $4,400 so far today. And again, the day is not over. We still have NQ early that could take another trade. We have NQ later. That's going to be trading later today. So let's get it. Yes, I'm just going to go behind you and click them all. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Right, Jen? Bloop, bloop. Exactly. Oh, I'm typing in all capital letters. Can you tell? Can you tell? That Etsy short is still green, $41. The other 2 took a small loss, Caterpillar and AMD. Again, because... Look at Mike's egg on his desk. So he's showing you his profits, and then this is the egg that he bought. It's like a squishy egg. I want one so bad. Thanks for sharing the live. I appreciate it. I want to laugh at his little egg so bad. I have a little waffle. So this is my little waffle that Dan sent me. So we give nicknames to our strategies just because we think it's fun. But this is a waffle. And then they couldn't find one of these like in an egg or bacon. Oh, shoot. What the hell is that? But Mike found this squishy egg in like a packet that he got. So it's funny. Don't understand it. So Jason, one comes before the other. So it's really eggs and bacon. Eggs is NQ early, which is this, because it trades first. So you should be eating your eggs first before your bacon or your carbs. So this is eggs. NQ later is bacon. So you're going to have your bacon later. And then ES became waffles. Oh, shut the fuck up. I had to just... Sorry. And then ES became waffles just because we were thinking of another breakfast product. They're just nicknames. It's just fun, and that it's easy to talk about, and it's fun to like have little emojis. I think Jen came up with the eggs, and then we kind of went from there. Yeah, so it's just fun. We just try to give nicknames because there's a lot of NQ setups. We trade NQ as our most traded product. And, yeah. Jen, did you get that? There we go. Let's go, LJ. Oh, very nice. Thank you, Tim, for posting that. Hi, everyone in YouTube. Please give a thumbs up. Very nice. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 on TikTok, and I'm going to try to be doing YouTube again as well. And then Jen goes live every day from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on TikTok only. When you find an account on Apex and they say you have 4 contracts, what does that mean? So 4 contracts is your sizing. So like I took 2 contracts here and 2 contracts here, but it's whatever your sizing is when you're in a trade. So you could take as little as 1 contract, or I guess they're saying you could take as many as 4, something like that. LJ. That's funny. Good thing about the choppy morning, should be a smooth, and then it'll be up and running by then. Oh, very nice. Oh, we will see. Well, it's only 9:57. I wouldn't necessarily call this a choppy morning. The 10 a.m. report comes out in 3 minutes, so we will see. But yes, good job remembering that little trinket of info, which is something I talk about in the mentorship. Can this be used on Eagle FX? I have no idea. Probably not. If it connects to Rhythmic, it has to connect to NinjaTrader. So this is NinjaTrader. All of this is NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader. It has to connect to NinjaTrader, whether that's through Rhythmic or one of their other connections. You have to find out if it can connect to NinjaTrader. If it can connect to NinjaTrader, like these are NinjaTrader connections. You know, I don't know half of these. Forex.com, is that what you would use? I don't know. Like, I have no idea. So these are the connections that NinjaTrader has. On their more updated version of NinjaTrader, like their desktop version, you can also trade, you can use Tradeovate, but I don't have the most updated version, and it doesn't matter to me anyway. Can we have the JLo show on Fridays? Maybe, but Fridays are also like the slowest. Maybe I'll get on with Jen this afternoon. We'll see. My day's pretty open. I have a student session tonight and then a student session tomorrow night. Irma's going to have to start getting her daughter an Uber because she just missed $900 from Pink because she was driving her daughter to band practice. I like ES. It's been good to me, for sure. I like ES as well. It's a little on the slower side, but with people that enjoy ES really enjoy ES. Like, that's kind of their thing. And that's totally fine. Listen, different strokes for different folks. Some people in the group really focus on gold, and that's like their heavy focus. I get it. Do you see this touch again up here? See why my students have to be patient, and I drill that into their head every time. Oh, where's my RTY range? What? It took no trades. I wonder why. Well, it's not that I wonder why. I probably don't remember what the settings are. No confirmation, 9:30. Oh, I think it was after the fact. Oh, it might take it. No. Maybe I need to reset it. I'm trying to think. I don't know. Either way, whatever. I just thought about it because I hadn't been talking about it for a while. It didn't have any trades yesterday. Okay. Well, it didn't take a trade yet, but it also didn't trade yesterday. So then I kind of forgot about it. Etsy's short on 100 shares is green $80. So if you were taking 1,000 shares, that would be $800. Something to keep in mind. See if we're going to break this now.
Order filled.
Let's see. See if the student play, student call, student whatever plays out here. See if we can get back to down to 50, 65. There's that pullback. Where are my students at? Where are my students at?
Order filled. Order submitted.
And then we have one more caveat, right? One more caveat. Let's go. Let's go. Get ready, students. Where are my students at? Where are my students at? You guys know what you should be doing. Getting ready. Normally, I never see the student play out.
Order canceled.
But I did today, and I'm on top of it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, students. I love it. I'm green $1,400 on the day. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. If I open a cash account instead of Apex, what would the suggested amount be to start trading with? Yes, very good question. So the minimum is $3,000. $3,000. You would have to trade micros. If you want to trade minis, which is what we're trading essentially here in cash and in Apex, then the minimum would have to be like $7,000 to $10,000. Let me know if that makes sense. And then the other things you would pay for, it's $12 a month for market data, but that's it. The NinjaTrader platform is now free. Obviously, everyone in my group pretty much uses VPS, which is a virtual private server. That's $50 a month. But all of that is in the informational email. So if you email me and you get more information, that will all be in there. It's broken down between if you want to do a cash account or if you want to do an Apex account. So that's kind of how it plays out. Price got pulled back in a little bit. See if we can break back down below this 70. Nice to know, Griffey. All right, is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? That's funny. That's the screen now because that's definitely going to change. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please put them in the chat. I'll be live until 10:30, and then Jen will be live at 2 p.m. Push down now. Now. Everybody just step on it. Just step on it. Look, now it's listening to you, Jen. Yes, for sure, Griffey. That makes sense. All right, so I guess my R2I. I left to go make a protein shake and came back to money. I love it, ATX. Very nice. Friends in YouTube, if you have any questions, please put them in the chat. If not, that's fine. Maybe just say hello or send a little emoji. If you're on TikTok, we're at 11,000 likes, so feel free to keep tapping. I think I got 15,000 yesterday. We got to beat Jen, and we got to get this moved down here. Maybe if you tap the screen, NQ will drop for us. Do we think yes? Do we think yes? I've noticed, also, the report came out. It didn't really do much. Well, it wasn't a high impact report at 10. It was more of like a medium impact. But now we can actually start moving for the day. So let's go. Jen, you're doing a great job. I appreciate you. I've noticed that I always tend to overtrade on Fridays. Like we could have like a little story time here. So 2 Fridays ago, I overtraded and I was so mad at myself, especially going into the weekend feeling defeated is so frustrating. And then this past Friday, I also overtraded. Like I was green, I don't know, maybe like $1,000 manually trading on the day. And then I was like, oh, well, let me just take this one more trade. And it was in the afternoon too. It was like 1:15 p.m. which is typically so against me. Here we go, Jen, you're getting your move down. So it's so against what I normally do. And it was 2 Fridays in a row. So I've put a strong rule to myself that I need to just be, I'm just algo trading on Fridays going forward, and that's it. Because the devil side of trading was starting to creep in. Here we go, guys. Where are my students at? Where are my students at? Were you patient enough? Did you wait? Did you get the pullback? Let's go. Who was patient enough to wait for this move down? Let's go. From our entry, we are green 25 points at this juncture. So I like it. I like it. You got the pullback, Mike. I'm so proud of you. You wait for that pullback. You take that short. Even if you $800 on it. Nice job, Jason. You guys make me so proud when you listen. And it's not even like in a degrading way. Like, it's not like, listen to me, blah, blah, blah. But it's like, I want you guys to succeed. So if you're just patient and we're going lower. Y'all, we're going lower, lower, lower. I'm going to put this over here just so you can kind of see it. But look at this. All of my students took the short right here. And where are we from there? Oh yeah, we're 33 points lower, 35 points lower. We're now at 15,130. We got short at 65, between 65 and 75. Folks would have gotten short. So congrats to everyone that got this short. Again, it looks like this now. I guess I could move this all the way over because it just says my name. So this was the short play right here. Even if you got it here, it pulled back up about 8-9 points. And then we got the drop. But we have a really strong level here. So that should help you to then, nice job, Jason, $800. Absolutely. Spot on, Lauren. Thank you. Thank you, John. Corey got 450. Very nice, Corey. Proud of you. I want everyone in chat to tell me if they got this trade. And it's not even about how much you made, which obviously makes me very happy. But it's like, did you listen to the play? The play was, let it come to 65, or let it break this level, let it pull back to the level, and then take the break at 65. So even if you got in a little early, as long as you were able to survive this slight pullback to that level again, where you should have put your stop loss above the level, like 75, 76, everyone got this move. Like, you know, maybe some people made 200, maybe some people made 2,000. The point is, you guys were smart and you were patient and you listened and you got the play. And good job. I got it and I passed another eval. Good job. Tim got it for 25 points. Nice job, Tim. I'm super proud of you guys. Look at Jen. Jen made like 400 on this, 400, and she's still in it. She said the student call is so worth it. It really is. And the student call is included with the digital mentorship. If you want more information about the digital mentorship, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Mike said the student call is worth it. Thank you, Mike. I'm going to pin that. But I agree. And then we got it here. And now are we greedy here and we're still chasing it? No. You take your money, you're done. Okay, that's the play. That was the play for today. And you made your money, and now you go and you enjoy the rest of your day. You go to your meetings, you go to the gym, you go check on your mom, whatever you do. You go do that now because you've made your money and you're not a greedy trader, and you've heard that once the trade plays out, that's it. We're done for the day. How much for the student mentorship? So Jen just pinned it above. It's $1,200, a one-time fee, and it includes 16 hours worth of the videos. It also includes the student call every morning. You get 1 month free access to the group. So meaning you would get access to the student calls, to the chop zones, to the manual alerts that are from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day. You would get access to the student corner, which is a private chat only for students. I put that here. So this is the student corner. You can see there's like a little lock next to it. This is only for people that are students. So yeah. It's a one-time payment of $1,200 for the mentorship. And Charlie said it's so worth it. Done for the day. Lauren and the BoldBot team are golden. Thank you so much. All right, what time is it? It's 10:10. We got the student play. We got the algo plays. NQ early was 2 for 2. I ran ES. That was 2 for 2. RTY did not take any trades. Oh, is RTY long only? That's probably why. It is. No wonder we didn't get RTY. It's long only. All right, ZB had a loss, gold had a loss, oil had a win. Oil was 1 for 1. ES Knight had no trades, NQ Knight had no trades, LIS had no trades. ES Conservative down here had 1 trade and it was a loss. NQ Conservative had 1 trade and it was a win. Just kind of scanning everything, going over it. Etsy is in that short still, now $120 on 100 shares. So if you had 1,000 shares, that's $1,200. Oh, that's funny. Oh, we're at almost 14,000 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so again, this was the student play. This is the chop zone that's given every morning to my students. It's a proprietary zone. And we took the short here, and it moved down. 60, and went all the way to 20. That's a 45 to 55 point drop. On 1 mini, that's $900 to $1,100. I used an ATM strat. You would have been in and out in seconds. Nice call as usual, Lauren. Got out at 30 points. So this is the student chat that you guys can see right now. Like, I'm willing to show you because it doesn't have any special information. But I was asked who got it, and John said absolutely spot on. USMCJ said he got $800. Tim got 25 points. USMCJ's out at 35 points. Rishi got 30 points, and he's a brand new student. He just signed up for the mentorship last weekend, but he's listening and he's applying what I'm teaching him. Jimmy said use the ATM strat. You would have been in and out in seconds. Nice call out as usual, Lauren. Very cool. Very cool. And again, this isn't rocket science. I've honestly just been doing this for so long, it becomes second nature. And this could be the case for you too. Like, this isn't something that, like, I have a special magic ball. I'm honestly just analyzing the market, and I focus on one product, which is the NQ, every single day. And I've become, not necessarily a master or an expert, but I feel like I'm like at an intermediate level with the NASDAQ. And I understand how it moves. I understand what it's most likely going to do for the day, and I can give that information to my students. And then as they get more advanced, and they've been doing this for years, they know how to do it on their own. Like Kenny doesn't need to join my morning call. He does it on his own. He typically trades overnight, so he probably got the move from London last night without any of my help. No magic ball. I'm let down. I shake the 8 ball and I say, is the NASDAQ going to go up today? And it's like, no, not sure. And I'm like, okay, we're short, guys. We're short. Seat fillers. Where are my seat fillers at? Okay. It's 10:15. I'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll probably wrap it up. The only trade I'm in right now is the Etsy short, which is $130. Let me show you. Which one is Etsy? This one. This second one, so I'll stretch it out a little bit. So it's in this short from $77.90. Let me put this back up. $77.90, and it's green $130 right now on 100 shares. So the way that I do it, I have a 2-point target and I have a 1-point stop. So if you're trading 100 shares of a stock, so the price is $77.90. So $77.90 times 100 shares. That cost me almost $8,000. It's $7,700. So $7,700, and I'm risking 1 point. So 1 point times 100 shares is $1,000. So I'm risking $1,000 to make $2,000. And right now, it's green 124. Well, that's on 1,000 shares. On 100 shares, it would just be I'm risking $100 to make $200. Does that make sense? So right now, I'm only this is 100 shares. It's not 1,000. It's 100. So my target is 200. So my target is going to be hitting quite soon because we're already at $130. So I'm risking $100 to make $200, and it hits pretty often. Like yesterday, is it AMD? Yesterday, this one hit. So again, if you're only doing 100 shares, that would have been $200. And I think AMD also hit yesterday. Here, profit target on AMD, that was $200. So if you're in the premium group and you have, say, a $25,000 or $20,000 account on TD Ameritrade, you could also trade stocks on the algorithm and make another, $200, $400 per day just off of those trades. So, yes. Don't be modest. You're the best. Don't let anyone otherwise tell you. Thanks, Mike. You're so sweet. Seat filler. The seat fillers are here. I asked AI what do it said ask Lauren. You asked ChatGTP what you should do on the NASDAQ and it said ask Lauren. That's a good one. Nice. Down bad trader made $1,700. Good. I see a W on the 5 and puzzle choosers on the 15 might get sucked back into the chop zone. Yep, the move has happened. The move has happened. If you didn't get it, please wait until tomorrow. Essentially. Like, that's kind of how it goes. Like, yeah, there are other opportunities later in the day, but we got the exact play that we wanted, and now it's kind of like fizzing out. Could it keep going down? For sure, but we got what we wanted. We made our money, and now we're done. Reggie said he made $1,020 on that short. Thank you, Lauren. Perfect. Very good. Very good. People are posting in results again. 2 contracts, NQ Mini, both targets hit. Very nice, Thomas. Let's put a little robot. And then I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to wrap it up. Very nice, Jen. Let me put the little student emoji on you. All right. Where are we at? ChatGTP is awesome. Great morning low. Got to work my day job and make less money than what I made with you this morning, right? Go have fun at your day job. What was the gold loss? The gold loss was $600. A win is $600 and a loss is $600. So their risk to reward is 1-to-1. Yes, he will. All right. Have a good day. Thanks for joining. Jen will be on at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want more info, please just email us at boldbotllc@gmail.com. All right. See, I will, I might be live with Jen later. I don't know. Or I might just be in the chat answering questions. Oh, this is almost at target, this Etsy trade. It's $140. So remember, target is 200. It's almost there. All right, have a great day. Thanks for joining. It does not work on Thinkorswim. You connect Thinkorswim to NinjaTrader. You have to use the NinjaTrader platform. But you can connect TD Ameritrade just for stocks only, and that's on the premium subscription. All right, have a good day. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Thanks for joining.